Hello guys, this is Minecraft and I'm here with Flow Darkness.
Hi.
This is Minecraft and we are in a server. I'm logging on right now. So yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change my name so you guys cannot hack my account. Gonna do with Star Air. And Flow Darkness is already with me. He is on my faction. We just do this. And guys, this is our first time on this channel. So hit the like button for us and subscribe on our channel. And here we are. The IP address on this server is on the description down below. And there. So Flow,
What?
can you invite me to the faction? This is
Yes.
my new account is name of Star Air.
What?
Star Air.
Arkstar.
Star Air. And later on I'm gonna show you guys what our base look like. And guys, if you don't know, I am from the Philippines and Flow Darkness is a Canadian. So yeah. Hey Flow, did you invite me?
Yes, what's your username?
Star Air.
Xstar A?
No, Star Air.
Okay. Only leaders can invite.
Oh, okay. I'll be back with my true account. Just wait. This series is gonna be two times a week. Is that okay for you, Flo? And this is the IP address, play.endernation.net. So this is my true account. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the base right now. So Flo, where are you?
My room.
Your room. Okay. And guys, this is the base. It's a little bit 2D, and we have a sky base, not underground, because underground base can easily raided, and sky base is not. The door is hacked. The fuck? What happened to this door?
I don't know. Looks weird.
Yeah. And that is Flow Darkness. He's a god. But not really a god. Hey, look, I fix it. I'm gonna fix yours. There. Okay. Alright. And this is our base. Oh. This door keeps glitching out. Alright, I fix it later. And we have a hole here. Hey Flo,
What?
let's go to the war zone.
Okay then.
Can you protect me? I'm not that strong.
Okay.
Slash app hub. And where is the survival? I'm gonna fix this. The sensitivity is so high, and I can. Yes, this is much better. Where's the survival? This way. And for your new guys here, just vote every day so you can get 20 diamonds, 20 bottle of enchanting, and 25,000 money. So yeah. Where are you, Flo, right now? I'm at the war zone.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Okay.
Teleporting.
And my sword is sharpness 3 and fire aspect 1, so it's got a lot of damage.
Are you having a war right now?
No. I'm at the war zone right now, but I'm not fighting anyone. There's nobody in here. said in chat, and please somebody come here. I'm gonna post this video later.
People are coming to the war zone.
What?
People are teleporting here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slash war zone. How do you get into the war zone?
/ warp PvP.
Okay, PvP. Right. And this is the people right here. This one. This girl is a pro. This is a legend right here. Are you Flo? Oh, there you are.
The admin's here.
Where?
Right here. The girl.
Oh yeah. I'm YouTuber. I can't even type right now. And guys, can you give us suggestions for our base? And if you guys know how to claim a faction base, we're glad to hear it, because we don't know right now. So yeah. Hey Flo,
What?
can you download Omelette Arcade? Because if you download it, you can do video there.
Okay, I'm having a war right now. Just wait.
Oh yeah. Wait for me. Where are you?
I'm at PvP.
Alright. I'm gonna PvP.
I killed one person.
I killed one person too.
I died.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm died. I'm stuck in PvP. And guys, for our new guys, right here, you cannot lose your item. If you die, you cannot lose your item. And if you kill someone, you cannot get their item, but you will get $500 for your money. So yeah. And if you download Omelette Arcade, you can stream your doing things. And yeah. And maybe I'll post this on YouTube. Where are you right now? Flo?